Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a smart and efficient way to learn Chinese. If you are ready for this linguistic journey, let's jump right in. To embark on this exciting path, let's follow these steps using the power of ChatGPT. Begin by opening your browser and heading to chat.openai.com. That's the ChatGPT platform. And if you are new and wondering how to get started, don't sweat it. Check out the video link below for a quick account setup. Learning Chinese with ChatGPT is like having a language guru available around the clock. Let's make the most of it. First, get cozy with the basics. Introduce yourself, learn greetings, and grasp simple phrases. Just type them into ChatGPT, and it will guide you on proper wording and pronunciation. For example, ask ChatGPT how to say "Hello, my name is" or "How are you" in Chinese. Keep practicing until you are confident. Next, treat ChatGPT as your language buddy. Have conversations. Type in everyday scenarios or questions you ask in Chinese. From ordering food to seeking directions or discussing your interest, ChatGPT can simulate these chats, letting you practice real-life situations. Vocabulary boost is a must. Whenever you encounter a new word, ask ChatGPT for its translation and how it's used in sentences. Grammar is your ally. Seek ChatGPT's help to understand tricky grammar rules or structures. Chinese grammar differs from English, so having ChatGPT as a dependable guide to clarify concepts is pure gold. Lastly, consistency reigns supreme. Spend a bit of time daily with ChatGPT to reinforce your learning. And there you have it, a brilliant way to master Chinese using ChatGPT. Remember, it's like having a language mentor on demand. Thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video. Zaijian.